Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this video the review of the Sony Cybershot DSC-W350 14.1 megapixel camera. Without further ado, let us start the video. So we have the camera on screen. It says sweep, panorama, intelligent auto, Sony Cybershot, optical steady shoot or shot, optical zoom ×4, 26 millimeters wide angle lens, 14.1 megapixels. On the bottom we have the lock for the lithium ion battery and the memory card, which that will be a video, stay tuned for that. The charging port, the camera stand on the side, nothing. On top we have 4x optical zoom, optical steady shot, DSC-W350 on off, record, take photos, and at the front we have zoom in and out, play, menu, delete, photo, panorama all in the frame, and video recording. Now we can turn the camera on. At the moment it says no memory card in, so we will just take a photo to see what happens. Go to the media, and here we have the photo on screen. If I just focus that in for the moment. Turn the camera off. If we turn the camera on again, we can change the display, choose for flash if required to, self timer, detecting smile, go back, the menu, if required to delete a photo, done. We can record videos, memory card not available, so that is not available. Sweep, panorama, everything will be in the frame. Turn the camera off. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial, science technology review, video unboxing. Thanks for now.